In RG Kaur, one moment.
If this irregularity has been going on for at least 2 decades, and if the individuals who have now been appointed have been associated with
My lord, can the state please
then the
finish?
fact that their previous employment was not with RG Kaur doesn't make a difference.
No, but
I know, but sometimes what happens is that merely because he was appointed, he was with RG Kaur 4 years back.
If they at least
He may not be involved in anything at all if these are.
So disclose whether the individuals had previous relationship with RG Kaur. Let them at least disclose.
My lord, but that is the most shocking part of it. Because 4 years back, my lord,
You know what? Sometimes you need a person who is conscious of that particular establishment also. If that person is otherwise free of taint, and today if the government is bringing in somebody from outside, there's no reason for us to suspect that a person who is deliberately brought in with a taint.
Yes, my lord, we
years
took
back,
instructions
there was-
and we are told that immediately the doctors are not aware of any taint, but we will come back with specific instructions.
In RG Kaur's college, Lord, regarding duty room, Lord, the tenders have matured, but we need the CBI's clearance, Lord, because of the crime.
Mr. Solicitor,
I'm sure, Lord, will.
they need your clearance for completing the work in the duty room because you've lifted all the evidence now.
Whatever
duty
they
room-
were supposed not to do for first 5 days, they've done. Now, even if they do something more, we have no objection.
Anyway, you just communicate it to them. That's all.
Yes,
That's
there
all
is
right.
one
Lord,
aspect.
it is the CBI which has stopped us, Lord, so we need permission, otherwise we would have done it.
My lord, 4 years back, when this
No.
particular person
Lord,
was
may we complete.
RG
We
Kaur,
have more
my
serious
lord, he was
problems.
responsible for selling off babies. My lord, the matter is pending before the
No,
High Court.
this is unfair. This is unfair.
But it's not unfair.
Just one second.
I don't know from all these
Just
reports.
one second.
actually.
Let CBI investigate.
Represent-
You can't
Who are you?
make 1 second.
No, I have the order sheet.
Just one.
Where
First-
DNA
Who
was
is he?
conducted.
1 second.
represent?
Please listen to us. You can't just throw an allegation like
Yes.
that across the bar.
Responsible.
On the next date of listing, you show us something to indicate.
My lord, I'll show the orders where the DNA was conducted
Right.
by the High
Then
Court.
Put it on the record.
I'll put it on record.
You can't just, otherwise
Four
we have
years
to,
that-
we have to follow some order
Yes,
and
yes, I'll
procedure
put
in
it on
the court.
record. I'll put it
Nothing
on
Put it on the
beyond
record. Yeah,
pleadings.
yeah. We'll immediately ask them to replace the
Lord,
order.
he should also tell us what is his locus, Lord, from where he is getting information. Lord.
But my argument, it was.
All right. Look, you put it on the record.
I'll put
that's
it-
it.
And which party does he represent?
I have a submission. May I have a very important request to make? Lord?
Correctly.
My learned friend said that all doctors have joined, Lord. They have joined, but only they are performing emergency work.
Oh, just a minute, below. This
They
is
are-
a false
one
statement. It's a false statement
All
and
right.
they've admitted it in their affidavit. Below the,
Very
Ms. Indira Jaising,
Yes.
Senior Counsel appearing on behalf of the resident doctors, has made a solemn statement that pursuant to the hearing which took place in court on the last occasion, all doctors have rejoined their duties.
below, they were the expression that I've used.
Responding to the statement of Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi,
They are not doing IPD and
One
OPD.
second.
that learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the state of West Bengal, that the doctors are not performing
IPD
the
and OPD.
IPD and OPD duties, Ms. Jaising assures the court that the doctors are performing all duties without exception.
Including all essentials and emergency services. That may be recorded.
All duties.
No, not because there's a dispute over the expression. The essential services are being performed.
You're not performing only essential service, right? You're performing all duties, we take it from you.
And they've admitted it in their own affidavit.
You're performing
No,
all
we
duties.
have said not IPD, OPDs.
Look, this is part of the
Anyway,
threat
Minister,
culture.
I'm not accusing, Lord. I'm only
This is
praying with
part of
folded
the
hands.
administration of the doctors, not.
So therefore, we have recorded your statement
It's
that
a
you are
puja.
performing all duties. So now abide by the statement.
These
And
duties are
second,
performed by the senior doctors.
now, not one.
Manoj, they've admitted it in the affidavit that the junior doctors have rejoined. So where is
Where is this? Please show us the
No,
page.
they
What
have.
para number?
You know it.
Now
To
that-
your knowledge, they have rejoined. To your knowledge.
Senior doctors.
Please show us.